You have to immediately make first. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much for coming and participating in our survey. This is Mr. Gilly, Miss Cochran, and Miss Rich, and they have all participated in the survey. So, they have to have a turn around and wait. Okay, our school climate survey at Williams Intermediate School. That's what we're going to be discussing today. Who took the survey? All of our 6th grade teachers, our assistant principal, the principal at Williams Intermediate, 14 teachers and 2 administrators, and a total of 16 people. Okay, the gender and ethnicity of our 6th grade teachers and administration, we had 14 females, 2 males, and all of which were Caucasian or white. The highest education level of those surveyed, we had 2 that had a bachelor's degree and 14 that had master's or above. Okay, and some of the questions that were asked on the survey were, do you feel that this school is a safe place to work? And all 16 said yes. So we're very blessed. In-service opportunity. There were several questions that were asked about in-service opportunity, and 14 strongly agree that we have plenty of in-service, and 2 agree that we have plenty of in-service. Some of the things that we have are common planning time, data meetings monthly, and in-service provided during planning time, so we don't have to meet much outside of school. Would you guys agree?
Yes.
Our students at WIS, or Williams Intermediate School, all 16 strongly agree that students at WIS do not fight frequently. We do not have very many fights. 12 disagree. 12 of our teachers, this is teachers, disagree that our students will not succeed. We do believe that all of our students, or the majority of us believe that our students will succeed at the community college or university level. And all 16 strongly agree that students will trust their teacher, at least one teacher. We've made it where at least if there's a student that has a problem, they know one teacher that they can go to and find. Okay, what are the students like? 14 strongly agree that students at this level are capable of high standardized exams, but 6 agree that some students lack in motivation. And 6 strongly agree that students will have difficulty with academic subjects regardless of instruction. And most of those are going to be our special needs students. Okay, is race a barrier? With us being predominantly Caucasian, we do see that race is a barrier, and 10 agree that students at this school will be successful because of their race, because they have more parental help. 16 agree, which is all of us, that racial barriers in education continue in the U.S., and that's because the people that have more parental involvement are more likely to be more successful. Are parents involved? 10 agree that parents are supportive of the school and its activities, and 12 agree that they have met the students' parents or caretakers. We were encouraged at the beginning of the year to make sure that we met with as many parents as possible. However, we still know that that's something we really need to improve on. Okay, where can we improve? And this is where we saw in the survey that we needed to improve on mostly, and that is student motivation to get to those students that maybe are not getting as much parental involvement. Some of the things that we've thought of and the group helped me come up with were
Praising students.
okay, giving some praise to the students, allowing students to be involved in the rules and mission statements, and incentives.
Some giving out some gifts if they make all A's and stuff, like
Yes.
our breakfast this morning.
This morning we had an academic breakfast for everybody that made A's. So those are some of the things that we need to work on, and we just implemented that this year. Another thing that we really, being in the intermediate school, need to work on is parental involvement. Does anyone have any ideas how we can do that?
I think the advisory committee is a great idea.
PTO,
PTOs.
more parent nights,
Okay.
put some videos on the web and dress code.
Okay, the parent night we had last year, we had a math night, and we, the math teachers, taught the parents on the lessons that we were doing, because they simply, some of them simply didn't know how to do it to help them at home. And our advisory committee, which is what we call our PTO, is a way for them to come in and help without being in the classroom. So that's something that we're trying to implement at the intermediate level. Okay, and lastly, I just put, we are blessed, we're extremely blessed to work at Williams Intermediate, but we need to continue to grow and make changes to become better. So those two things that we really need to work on, and encourage y'all and charge you to work with your faculty and encourage them to be, get parents more involved and student engagement, and that